welcoming and escorting the guest to the table. Good evening, sir. Welcome to Sunrise Bistro. How are you today?
Good evening. I'm doing well, thank you.
That's great to hear. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Daniel. How many people will be dining with us this evening?
Just one, please.
Thank you. Do you have a reservation with us tonight?
No, I don't have a reservation.
No problem at all, sir. Would you prefer a table in the smoking or non-smoking section?
Non-smoking, please.
Certainly. Would you like a table near the window, or is anywhere fine for you?
A table near the window would be nice.
Of course, sir. Please follow me. Here we are, Mr. Daniel. This is a table near the window in the non-smoking section. Is this table okay for you?
Yes, this table is perfect. Thank you.
You're very welcome, sir. Please have a seat. I'll be right back with your menu. Please let me know if you need anything.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Enjoy your time with us.